Code red. I repeat, this is a code. Red, an anonymous presence named Vixintoe. Mimic has been detected in all 50 states of the United States of America. Look up at your ceiling. Does it look weird? If so, then we are afraid it is already inside check. Your family members, are they acting strange or weird? If they are, then it is not them. Do not confront them. It will end in death. Now here the rules will be shown on how to survive it. If your ceiling is normal and your family is normal, lock your doors. If not, then call 91,349. This will send the military personnel to your house to terminate the anomaly. I am George Thomas. I'm with the SCP Foundation and stand by for instructions. Hide your children and be safe. Secure, contain, protect.